day for Moonshiner Garage. Welcome to the channel. Today's the day we find out if Moonshiner is just a Hackmaster 5000 or he knows what he's doing, which I'm kind of leaning towards. I don't know which way to go right now, to be honest with you, and that's why we're headed over to Chris at Precision Alignment and Auto here in Fort Worth. They say he's the best around. It's going to take the best to straighten out the mess that I've created. Guys, remember that I didn't have no jig, I didn't have nothing, just a level, a square, a measuring tape, and just front half, a C10 square body. So the ones that have been following along with you, I mean, I've literally lost my patience with this deal, and I'm at the very end of it, and I'm excited to be here. At the same time, I'm a little nervous in the stomach because if it makes it out of alignment, they're like, you're good. If it doesn't, you're an idiot. So I got a lot on the line when you do shit yourself, but I don't know how to ask for too much help. Not only is this truck just not, you know, it's just a homegrown truck. You know, even the concrete that was poured under the truck when I was building it, me and my wife did ourselves. So it was like this. This was just a, man, if this thing gets aligned and he says it's good, I'm gonna be totally shocked. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was gonna meet me here, so in case I fall out from stress, he could catch me. But he signed up for that 405 deal, so he's down there doing the announcing in Odessa. So I think he woke up about a little earlier than I did this morning, and he's headed down there with a, I think he's got like an 8-hour trip. We'll check in on him, see how he's doing throughout the video. It's an awful ride if you've ever went to Odessa. It's depressing, it's sad. I'm sure he'll be fine though. I gave him a good pep talk this morning. People like you, Ryan. You are funny. Do your thing. Jake even bailed on him. It's hilarious.
Woo-wee, boys! We're gonna kick the tires and light the fires, baby. Look out for the county mounties and be careful what you eat at the choke puke. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Heading due west to the other side of the state. And if you're asking what state, that's the great state of Texas. It's about 14 days ride. And we're going from where the grass is green and the trees are tall to dirt and tumbleweeds. Pinwheel Nights Raceway. Pinwheel Nights Raceway? Pinwheel Nights Raceway. That's right. We're heading out here for some kind of streetcar deal. I'm announcing out here. It's got a crazy set of rules. Never seen anything like it. They got roll racing, all kinds of stuff, and lucha libre wrestling. I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hands, but we're gonna go announce the thing. So I'm just gonna keep driving that way forever.
Be completely honest with you about this whole front end thing. Like, man, I got like ADD or ADHD. I'm not sure because I won't go to the doctor to get diagnosed, but there's definitely some things wrong with me. And I cannot, for the love of me, I cannot figure out geometry of Casper and Casper and Casper and Casper and camber and alignment, and not on, you know, semi-long travel. No. I could get it up in the air, I do my adjustment, and I had it looking good. Set it down on the ground, tires going crazy. So I adjust it on the ground, pick it up in the air, it looking crazy. That's not my cup of tea there. I mean, I can get two wheels to go straight with each other, but no, not for me. We're gonna let the professionals handle this. Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the Ford Drunks and the small block Chevy video. I'm here back at Moonshiner Garage. I just got off the phone with JD Vance. He said that Trump wants to take the Moonshiner from me. Saw the last video when I fired it up. Figured they could make a nice armored car out of it by the weight of it, and it looks like we're losing it. I got Secret Service in the back here. They're looking out for them. We're not gonna let them take it that fast. What we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to get more members behind us to stop this deal from doing it. So hit the button below, become a member, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and just help us push this channel. Don't let them take the Moonshiner from us. Well, we made it, and parking is scarce. It's also starting to sprinkle a little bit. I didn't bring nothing, cover nothing up, just let it rip. Let's check in on Ryan while we're getting this truck unloaded. Only black clouds above the Moonshiner. Everywhere else, nice. Holy shit. Guys, y'all like ricers? Man, this place got a lot of ricers. Check this out. You out of place. I don't know where I'm supposed to park here because there's not a lot of parking, but I'm telling you one thing, if I gotta drive the Moonshiner down that deal right there, it is gonna be so freaking loud. Oh wow. Oh wow. All right, we got it unloaded. We didn't have to drive it down the whole passageway, thank goodness. There was no forecast in the rain, and it ain't nothing but starting to sprinkle now. So I'm hoping this passes over because this is not good. And one of the boards broke on the trailer coming off, and the front tire fell down. So I'm gonna have to do something about that too. Okay. We got it up on the machine. I'm excited to see how, y'all know this is a big deal for me. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this man's name's Caleb. He's running from him. Caleb, is Chris your dad?
Yes, sir, he is.
Oh, he is? How long you been doing this deal?
About 3 years.
Really? They say y'all are the best in the business.
We do a lot.
I mean, literally, they said, Thomas, do not take your truck nowhere else.
We do a ton of race cars.
Hell yeah. So I can't afford to do this a whole lot, so when I do decide to do it, I go full on. I just told my man Caleb, I don't care what he does. Line up the rear end, line up the front end, pinion angle, ride height, full mill deal is what the Moonshiner needs. I need no question about it. Either it's good or it ain't. And that's what my man's doing now. So far, he's told me that the pinion angle is 1 degree negative and they always shoot for 1.5. Come on, Thomas, do your thing, boy. It is 100% humidity today. Humidity, I'm telling you. It's terrible. You know what I was thinking about? Since I've started working on this truck like 10 years ago, I think this is the only, like maybe the second time that I can remember it ever having a professional work on. It's always just been me. I had Brandon tune it a couple years ago on the dyno. That's it. That's it. So I don't have high expectations today. Did you believe it? He said the rear end was square. It was square. Come on. Front wheel. I know looking so good. I know looking so good right now. We're setting ride height. What is it, Caleb?
It was pretty far. This side was an inch farther away from the cab. We moved it a lot closer and it kind of evened it out. Ride height was way off. The bed made it seem like it was really far. But if you measure from here to here, it's about a 1/4 inch different. With driver, that's going to be perfect. Front and back is identical. And then pinion angles at 1.5 negative, which is pretty perfect. But that's about it. So
great. So we got ride height down, and you squared up the rear end, and it wasn't too far out either, or no?
No, it was pretty far out, but it's.
Oh, it was? Okay.
It's good now.
Okay.
It's good now.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, we're getting close to wrapping it up here. I wonder how my boy Ryan, if he made it across the desert yet.
Made it. 17 days later. It smells like propane. We've arrived at our destination. Man, this place is freaking cool. Dude, you got this catwalk up here. Tower over there. Looks like a catwalk up there. Bam. Man, I like this track. Bro, this place is freaking legit, dude. They got it covered. There's the staging lanes. Look at all the staging lanes, dude. I'm sorry, that's not staging lanes. That's the staging lanes. So cool.
Think we got it, Caleb?
All the bump steer correct, camber, caster, to drive like a Cadillac now.
For real. And we didn't even really have to do, I thought we was gonna have to do some major reconstruction to get it right. Y'all knocked it right out, dude.
Yeah, we had to do a little bit with the bolts on the bump steer kit, just to make it a little bit longer, because this does get a lot of travel. After we did that, we got the bump steer closer to where it stays the same at full travel and ride height. But that's it, we're all set.
Yeah, they did a hell of a job, man. I appreciate it, bud.
Yes, sir.
Just nailed it, man. I'm so thankful that I came over here. Ryan pointed me in the right direction. These are good people, fair price. It didn't matter that there was a Lamborghini behind me or a twin turbo F-150. They didn't give a shit, man. They treated the Moonshiner just like it was any other car. They didn't rush, they didn't hurry. They just done it right, and I'm so happy. We didn't have to reconstruct nothing. We didn't have to do nothing. We just literally went in there. They did my anti-roll bar. They did my ride height, readjusted my ladder bars, adjusted my front control arms, added more bump steer, all of it, dude. I'm super pleased, man. Great job. If you use anybody precision alignment, that's the people right here. Check them out. Put the thing right there, Ryan. Freaking awesome.
We're out here at Pinwell Knights Raceway for the summer street wars, and this place is packed, and they have wrestling, lucha libre wrestling, and it's working. It's awesome.